Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're making one of my favorite food to snack on, which is sambusas. You may know them as samosas. They are stuffed triangle pastries. We're gonna make a vegetarian version and a beef version. We're going to start with the wrapper. Our ingredients are flour, oil and water. You can add salt, but that's optional. I didn't add it. We're going to start with adding the oil into our flour and keep adding water while mixing it until our mixture turns into dough. And then we are going to knead the dough until it's no longer sticky and it's supposed to be smooth on the outside but a bit hard when you press it. After all that kneading, we're going to let our dough chill for a second. By chilling, we're gonna let it sit and rest.
1 hour later.
The time has come to knead the dough again. Divide the dough into smaller equal parts and then form each portion into a ball. And while the dough was resting, that's when I made the filling for the samosas, but I decided to put that part at the end. The next step is to roll them out into a small circle and then spread some oil on it and pour some flour on top. And then we're just gonna put another layer and then repeat the steps. First the oil and then the flour. Then repeat. I ended up with 2 sets of 4 layers. It's time to roll it out, roll it out, roll. Control it, girl, roll it out until it's flat and it's not too big for your pan. Sorry, I just got carried away a bit. We are about to finish up now. It's time to heat them up a bit. They're not supposed to be cooked though. The heat is on medium low and we're just going to let the dough get heated up a bit. So this is how they look now. There's only one thing left to do, which is cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. This dough is way too big, we need to cut it. We are finally done with the dough and now it's time to make the filling for the samosas. Apart from using minced meat for the non-vegetarian one and the potatoes for the vegetarian ones, we're going to use the same ingredients. First things first, we're gonna make our garlic ginger coriander paste. Chop our red onion and in a pan with vegetable oil, we'll add our onion, garlic paste, garam masala, salt. Last but not least, our main ingredient, which is potato. Check out my vid on how to make your own garam masala. time now to make our beef filling. We're gonna start with our minced meat. And then we're going to add our garam masala and salt and then mix it all together. Add some onion and then the garlic, ginger, coriander paste. So we're gonna cook it until it's ready. Then we're going to separate the meat from the water/oil and let it cool off for a bit. Now we're moving on to our flour paste, which is just mixing into a bowl some flour and water. We're gonna stir it a bit until the consistency is thick, kind of like glue. We're going to take one wrap, fold it into a triangle, add the paste, fold it like an ice cream cone, add the beef filling until it's full. At this point I had already done the potato ones. And then fold it again like a triangle. Seal it with the flour paste and then pinch the edges, like the corners, to make sure everything is secure and closed. And then kind of just fold it like a triangle again. Because I'm not good at explaining this part, I'm just gonna let you sit back, relax, and watch me just do it. Okay, a little bit of error there, but we are good. So don't forget to cover the pastries after folding them. Just cover them with a kitchen towel or a plastic wrap. It's important to not let them get dry. So now we're at the end of the road. This is the final step where we get to fry them and get them ready to be eaten. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, bye.